Welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you reset the mobile network settings on your Android phone to fix signal, calling and mobile data problems in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your phone, swipe up to open the app drawer and tap the Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down and tap General Management. On some Android phones, this option may have a slightly different name depending on the manufacturer. Step 3. Scroll to the bottom and tap Reset. Then select Reset Mobile Network Settings. If you don't see this option, choose Reset Network Settings, as some Android versions combine mobile, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings into one reset. Step 4. Tap Reset Settings. Your phone will ask you to enter your screen lock PIN, password or pattern to verify your identity. After verification, tap Reset or Confirm to begin. The reset will finish in a few seconds and your phone will automatically reconnect to your mobile network. If the signal doesn't return immediately, restart your device for the best results. That's it. Your mobile network settings have been reset successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and enable notifications for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.